Haru, do you like studying English?
I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult.
It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, what do you want to know?
I have my book from class here. How do you say this word?
Tsunami,
Can you say it again?
tsunami.
Tsunami. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, that's right. That's very good.
Thanks. And this word, how do you pronounce this?
That word is pronounced kitchen.
Thanks so much. You're a good teacher.
Thanks. Sami, why didn't you call me last night? I was worried about you.
Sorry, I was sick. I went to bed early.
What's wrong?
I had a cough, and my eyes were really dry.
Are you better now?
Yes, I'm feeling a lot better. Much better than yesterday.
Do you have allergies?
Yes. Last time I went to the doctor, he did some tests and told me I have allergies. It gets worse in the spring.
What time did you wake up this morning?
Around 9:30 am.
Are you going to work today?
I think I'll just stay home and watch TV. I can work from home today.
Good. Get some rest and I'll bring over some food later.
Thanks.
Hey Rakib, I'm tired. Would you mind driving for a while?
Sorry. I would too. But I don't know how to drive.
Really? You don't have a license? I thought everyone had a license.
No. I've lived in cities all my life, and when I'm at home, I usually take the bus.
I see. Do you think you'll learn to drive in the future?
Yes. I plan to buy a car next year. I think you need one in the US.
Actually, now that I think about it, a lot of people in cities here take the bus also.
Well, I'd like to travel more. I've been here for a few months already, and I feel like I haven't seen anything yet.
How are you going to learn to drive? Do you want me to teach you?
No, I wouldn't want to trouble you. I've already signed up for a class near my house. It starts next month.
Come in.
Happy birthday.
I can't believe you remembered that.
Well, I have a calendar in my computer. It helps me remember things like that. What are you up to?
I'm reading a book my cousin gave me for my birthday.
Let me see. Oh, I have this book at home. I want to give you a present too.
Wow, it's a guitar. I already have one, but I like this one better. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know how to play the guitar?
Yeah, I know how to play. My father taught me when I was young.
Will you play it now? I want to listen to some music.
Okay, do you know this one?
Yeah, I've heard that one. I could sing that song when I was in middle school.
It's an old one. It makes me feel old. When I was in college, they used to play it on the radio all the time. Welcome, Rabhi. Come in.
Hi, Sabina. What a nice apartment.
We enjoy it too.
How long are you living here?
Approximately 4 years.
Well, it is nicely decorated.
Rabhi, have a seat and I'll serve a cup of coffee for you.
That will be nice. I am really thirsty.
You can also choose orange juice.
No, coffee would be perfect. Thank you.